Hi guys! What's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. Meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating lunch. Chicken sotanghon soup with vegetable. Meron pa tayong cold drinks. Gumawa tayo ng vegetable juice. Lutuin natin ang ating sotanghon soup with chicken and vegetable. Hugasan natin ng maigi ang ating chicken cut into medium size. Fresh chicken, so binili ko ito guys sa farm. Magpainit ng mantika, magisa ng maraming sibuyas, kaunting bawang, kaunting loya, slice of celery, lemongrass at kaunting green chili para medyo maanghang. Igisa na rin natin ang ating chicken cut into small size. So malasa na yan guys yung ginawa nating chicken soup stock. So kailangan natin yung soup stock mamaya. Antayin lang nating bumango or maging aromatic ito. At mag-add tayo ng ating soup stock. Salt and pepper to taste at yung ating chicken cubes. Napaka-yummy nito guys. Maglagay na rin tayo ng ating slice of carrots, sotanghon noodles at yung ating fresh gulay. Meron tayong lettuce. Luto na ito guys. Mag-ready tayo ng ating lagayan. Masarap na sotanghon soup with chicken and vegetable. Cold drinks, so healthy, so yummy. Vegetable juice, counting slice of loya, beetroots, carrots, green apple, lemon juice, celery, and water. I-blend natin ito guys. And meron na tayong napakasarap at so healthy, so refreshing cold drinks. Ang sarap din ng ating cold drinks guys. Hot drinks, onion, and green tea combined. Slice of onion, konting loya, konting bawang, 5 perasong cloves. Meron pa itong lemongrass. Papakuloy lang natin ito guys. Meron pa itong fresh mint and turmeric powder. Healthy hot drinks. And shout out sa tagabigay sa akin ng gift. So yung aking star sender, Ma'am Catherine Villanueva Ferrer, Ma'am R. James, thank you so much. Kain tayo guys for masarap na lunch. Napakasarap nito guys at nakakatakam, malinamnam ang ating sotanghon soup with chicken and fresh vegetable. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Yung ating very healthy, so yummy, so refreshing vegetable juice, assorted fruits, banana, apple, mango, and avocado. Meron pa tayong soft drinks, boko juice. Kain tayo guys. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog.